We picked this topic looking at direct drilling, particularly because we wanted to do a series of Monitor Farm meetings that was focused on the soil. So making everything about our arable system soil focused. And direct drilling seemed like a logical way to go, looking at less disturbance of the soil, less cultivation, and of course we're also trying to save some money by doing it this way. Our current system is fairly conventional. We will go in with a set of discs to try and establish a chit of weed seeds. We'll then go in and spray that off. This is presuming there's time. We'll go in and spray that off with some Roundup, then we'll go in with Sumo Trio, followed by a 3-metre Vadestad drill. We looked at two different drilling systems in this meeting. We looked at a weaving disc drill and a Claydon tine drill, which was good. Two really different machines, two different comparisons. We talked about establishment costs first of all, and then how much are you moving the soil. What sort of results are you getting, and what are you really trying to achieve from using those two different types of system? So we're on some fairly light sandy soil here. Some of it very, very sandy, with some patches that are a little bit heavier. Our current system doesn't give us too many problems. We generally get good crops in most fields every year. Really, what we're trying to do with having this discussion is not saying that our current system is broken, but just challenging it and thinking about is there a better way of doing things.
Today we're over here in Newport and been looking at some soil which is lovely light soil, and we've run the drill in the field at the back of the farm here. And the real advantages over here would be that we've got a stubble, and providing we've checked it for no slugs in it and so forth, sprayed the weeds off, we could go straight in with the drill, which would produce a crop very cheaply and with one pass. So the time saving would be fantastic. As one of the biggest challenges is make sure that they spray the weeds off before they're drilling, so they don't get more weeds in the crop. The other challenge is to check for slugs, that when slugs haven't built up, and they put the crop into a lot of slugs. Any direct drilling system is absolutely crucial to do some stubble management. And stubble management might be moving a bit of straw around, using a straw harrow, chitting those weeds off and spraying them off. And of course, once you've done that, putting a few slug bait traps out to see what's there.
From what I've seen today on light sandy loamy soil, I think the benefits of a disc drill would be less soil erosion when it comes wet, obviously building organic matter up, less cost involved. I'd imagine this soil, when it gets sticky, it's quite challenging. But when you're going no-till, you want to be going earlier. Precision seed placement with a disc drill is crucial, especially with zero-till. You want even emergence.
I'm Bill Jones, local agronomist with the company BCW. I deal with a lot of different farmers on varying range of soil types in the Shropshire area. So today we've been looking at two no-till drills, the weaving and the Claydon drill. In this area generally there's varying systems, but an average one would be a fairly aggressive min-till system with either a combination drill or something like a Vadestad disc cultivated drill following up. So there are a few no-till drills in the area, and from my own point of view as an agronomist, we welcome innovation, and anything that would improve soil structure has got to be a good thing for the future. My fear is that in order to make money on the low cereal prices at the moment, you do have to have a good consistent yield, and we have to make sure that we've got an even crop across the field from the point of view of consistency and yield. In this area, especially around Newport, a lot of light soils. They're becoming rather structureless. It's been a long time since there were livestock rotations. The soils have had quite a lot of potatoes and historically sugar beet on them. So anything really that's going to be putting organic matter back into the soils and giving them more structure has got to be a good thing.